At number 5, we have the Dabigay Golf Net, a solid all-in-one training solution for golfers who want to practice in the comfort of their own space. This set includes a spacious 10 by 7 foot net with a central target and 6 additional target pockets to help you hone your accuracy and technique. The kit also comes with a tri-turf mat, golf balls, tees, rubber holds, sandbags, and a carrying bag, making it a comprehensive practice setup right out of the box. In terms of design, the Dabigay Golf Net uses heavy-duty 600D Oxford fabric and a 280-gram high-density net for durability. The reinforced fiberglass frame ensures it can handle high-speed impacts of up to 200 miles per hour, so you don't have to worry about wear and tear during intense practice sessions. The tri-turf mat simulates fairway, rough, and tee turf, offering a realistic experience whether you're training indoors or outdoors. However, the setup process requires a bit of finesse, especially when securing it with sandbags on hard surfaces. Performance-wise, this net is great for beginners and intermediate golfers looking to work on their swing or chipping. The multiple targets make practice engaging and effective, but it may fall short for advanced players who need a more robust setup. For the price of $64.99, it's a fantastic option for those looking for a budget-friendly all-in-one system. The downside? While durable, it's not the best for long-term heavy use, and the sandbag system can be a hassle in windy conditions. Still, for the casual golfer, it's hard to beat the value this set delivers. Coming in at number 4 is the Cloudot Golf Net, which offers an affordable yet feature-packed option for golfers of all skill levels. This 10 by 7 foot net stands out with its multi-target design, including a central target and 4 additional pockets, perfect for practicing precision shots and improving your short game. The set includes a 3-in-1 turf golf mat, 5 golf balls, a rubber tee, ground stakes, and a carrying bag, so you're covered on all fronts. The Cloudot Golf Net is built with durable 600D Oxford cloth, high-density netting, and reinforced fiberglass poles, making it both impact-resistant and lightweight. It's designed to handle ball speeds of up to 200 miles per hour, ensuring it can withstand intense practice sessions without tearing. Its portability is another highlight. You can easily set it up in your garage, backyard, or even indoors. However, because it's lightweight, it might struggle to stay stable in windy conditions without proper anchoring. In terms of performance, this net is ideal for casual golfers or those just starting out. The multi-target system introduces variety to your practice routine, and the 3-in-1 turf mat helps simulate real course conditions. While it's not as robust as higher-end models, it's hard to argue with the value at $64.99. On the downside, the lightweight frame might not hold up to frequent heavy use, and the included golf balls are not the most durable. Overall, it's a great pick for budget-conscious golfers who want a versatile practice setup without breaking the bank. At number 3, we have the Bearewheel Golf Net, a mid-range option that strikes a balance between durability and performance. This 10 by 7 foot practice net comes with plenty of extras, including a dual turf mat, 6 golf balls, 8 tees, and a sturdy carry bag. It's designed to handle a wide variety of training scenarios, from chipping to driving, making it suitable for golfers looking to refine multiple aspects of their game. The Bearewheel Golf Net features premium materials like tear-resistant nylon and a fiberglass frame, ensuring long-lasting durability even with frequent use. Its high-density netting can handle ball speeds of up to 160 mph, making it robust enough for intermediate and advanced players. Setup is quick and tool-free, which is great for those who don't want to spend too much time assembling their practice setup. Performance-wise, the dual turf mat is a standout feature, allowing you to practice on fairway and rough turf to simulate real course conditions. The net's spacious design gives you plenty of room to work on your swing without worrying about stray balls. At $109.99, it delivers solid value for the quality and features it offers. The downside? While durable, it's not as portable as some lighter options, and the included golf balls are decent, but could be better. Still, it's a fantastic choice for golfers who want a reliable, all-in-one setup without venturing into premium pricing. At number 2 is the Go Sports Golf Practice Hitting Net, a popular choice among golfers for its innovative ball return system and simple setup. Designed by golfers for golfers, this net is available in 2 sizes, 10 by 7 feet and 7 by 7 feet, allowing you to choose the one that best fits your garage or practice space. It's an excellent option for those who want a hassle-free way to practice their swing indoors or outdoors. The Go Sports Net features reinforced nylon material and a lightweight yet sturdy metal frame. Its ball return system is a game changer, saving you time and keeping your practice sessions efficient. The entire setup is quick and easy, and the compact storage case makes it ideal for those who need to store their gear after each session. However, unlike other options on this list, it doesn't come with extras like mats or balls, so you may need to purchase those separately. Performance-wise, the Go Sports Net excels in convenience and durability. The ball return system is perfect for golfers who want to maximize their practice time, and the robust construction ensures it can handle heavy use. While the price isn't listed here, its popularity suggests it's a worthwhile investment for serious golfers. The downside? It's not as customizable as other nets with multiple targets, and the lack of accessories might be a deal-breaker for some. Still, it's an excellent choice for golfers who prioritize efficiency and ease of use. And finally, at number 1, we have the Hokeel Ball Golf Practice Net, the premium option on this list. This 10 by 7.5 foot net is designed for golfers who want the absolute best in quality and performance. With a powder-coated steel frame and high-tension net, it's built to withstand rigorous training sessions while offering a spacious practice area. The standout feature here is its enhanced ball collection system, which keeps all your balls within the net. Eliminating the need for retrieval, the Hokeel Ball net also comes with a noise-reducing target cloth that enhances accuracy while minimizing distractions. Its lightweight yet durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, and the simple assembly process means you can set it up anywhere, from your garage to your backyard, without hassle. Its compatibility with other sports like baseball and soccer adds even more versatility, making it a great investment for multi-sport households. Performance-wise, this net is a dream for dedicated golfers. The durable materials and thoughtful design make it perfect for intense practice sessions, and the spacious size accommodates shots from various angles. At $198.99, it's certainly a higher investment, but for golfers who want top-tier quality and features, it's worth every penny. The only downside? Its weight makes it less portable than lighter options, and it's more expensive than other nets on this list. Still, if you're serious about improving your game, the Hokeel Ball Golf Practice Net is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this. If you have any questions about these golf nets or want to share your experience with one of them, leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy practicing and good luck on the course.